A very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss about our surface areas and volumes example problems. This is example 1. A rectangular paper of width 14 centimeters is folded along its width and a cylinder of radius 20 centimeters is formed. Find the volume of cylinder. This is our question. So, rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter. Here, rectangle paper of width 14 centimeters is folded along its width. Here, this folded paper forms a cylinder. So, here width is 14 centimeters, cylinder height is also 14 centimeters. And the radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. Here, the radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. So, find its volume. Here, volume is question mark. Cylinder, volume is question mark. So here height of the cylinder is 14 centimeters and its radius is 20 centimeters. So volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Here pi is 22 by 7 and r means 20 centimeters. Here h is 14 centimeters. Substitute these values in our formula. Substitute the values pi, r and h. Here pi is equals to 22 by 7. R is 20 into again 20 r square this is. So into h is equals to 14. So here 7 2s are 14. So remaining terms are 22 2s are 44. Into 20 again 20. 2 2s are 4, 400. So 44 into 400 is 17,600 and here units of the given cylinder is centimeters. So centimeter cubes. Volume units are cubic centimeters. So here our final answer is 17,600 centimeter cube. Okay, my dear students, this is our second example. A rectangular piece of paper, dimensions are 11 centimeters and 4 centimeters, is folded without overlapping. Without overlapping means we have to fold like this. So this is called overlapping, without overlapping. So here with overlapping means this is with overlapping. This is with overlapping. This is without overlapping. This is without overlapping. So, rectangular piece of paper, length is 11 centimeters, breadth is 4 centimeters, is folded without overlapping and make a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Here the breadth of the paper is height of the cylinder. So, length of the paper is perimeter of the circular section. Here the length is perimeter of the circular shape. So, here cylinder height is 4 centimeters. And perimeter of the cylinder is 2 pi r. So this length is converted into perimeter of the cylinder. So perimeter of the cylinder is 2 pi r. So that is equals to 11 centimeters. Here r is equals to transpose this 2 pi. So 11 by 2 into pi. So that is equals to 11 into 1 by 2 into 1 by pi. 1 by pi means pi value is 22 by 7. 1 by pi means 7 by 22. Here 11 2s are 22. So 7 1s are 7. 2 2s are 4. So radius is 7 by 4 centimeter. This is the radius of the cylinder. So here volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi is equals to 22 by 7. Radius of the cylinder is 7 by 4. R square means 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into h means here height of the cylinder is 4 centimeters. Here 4 cancel. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. So 7 cancel. So remaining result is 11 into 7, 77 by 2. So 77 by 2 is equals to 38.5 centimeter cube. So volume units are centimeter cube. So final our answer is 38.5 centimeter cube. So volume of the cylinder is 38.5 centimeter cube. This is our example 3. A rectangular sheet of paper, dimensions are 44 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Here length is 44 centimeters and the width is or breadth is 18 centimeters. So is rolled along the length to form a cylinder. is rolled along with its length and forms a cylinder. Here, assuming that cylinder is a solid. Here, assuming that cylinder is a solid. Assume that cylinder is a solid. Here, the height of the cylinder is breadth of the paper, so 18 centimeters. So here the length of the paper is perimeter of the cylinder, perimeter of the circular section. So here breadth is 18 centimeters, radius is question mark, total surface area is also question mark. So perimeter is given and height of the cylinder is also given. So here height of the cylinder is 18 centimeters, perimeter is 44 centimeters. So perimeter formula is 2 pi r. Cylinder perimeter formula is 2 pi r. So that is equals to perimeter of the cylinder is 44. Perimeter formula is 2 pi r is equals to 44. So r is 2 into pi transpose. So that is equals to 44 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. Here 22 2s are 44. 2 cancel. Remaining 7 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeters. Here our next step is we have to find total surface area of the cylinder. So that is equals to 2 pi r into formula 2 pi r into r plus h. That is equals to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 7 into r plus h means 7 plus 18. Here 7 cancel. 22 2s are 44. 7 plus 18 is 25. So result is 1100 centimeter square. This is the surface area unit. Centimeter square is the surface area units. So final answer is 1100 centimeter square. So this is our fourth example. Circular disc is 5 mm thickness. Here this is a circular disc. So thickness is 5 millimeters. Are placed one above the other to form a cylinder. Are placed one above the other. These are forms a cylinder of curved surface area. This cylinder curved surface area is 462 centimeters square. So we have to find the number of discs if the radius is 3.5 centimeters. So disc radius is 3.5 centimeters and the thickness of the disc is 5 millimeters is placed above the other to form a cylinder. Here some number of discs are placed one above the other to form a cylinder. Here some number of discs are forms a cylinder placed one above the other. Here height of the cylinder is question mark and the radius of the disc is 3.5 centimeters. Substitute these values in our formula curved surface area. Here curved surface area is already given 462 centimeters square. Substitute these values in our formula. Here curved surface area is 462 is equals to 2 into pi means 22 by 7. Here radius of the disc is 3.5 centimeters into h is height of the cylinder is question mark. So transpose these terms into LHS. So height of the cylinder is 462 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 3.5. 3.5 2s are 7. Here 2 cancel. 22 21s are 462. Here height of the cylinder is 21. Height of the cylinder is 21 centimeters. So here thickness of the disc is 5 millimeters. Here this is units are millimeters and this one units are centimeters. Here thickness of the each disc units are millimeters. Here height of the cylinder units are centimeters. We have to convert these millimeters into centimeters. So here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So 1 by 10 centimeters is equals to 1 millimeter. Substitute these values instead of 1 millimeter. Here 1 by 10 centimeters. So 5 by 10 centimeters is equals to 0.5 centimeters. Thickness of the disc in centimeters is 0.5 centimeters. So here number of discs into thickness is equals to height. Number of some number of discs into thickness of the each disc is equals to height of the cylinder. So here number of discs is question mark. So transpose this thickness. So that is equals to height is, here height is 21 centimeters and the thickness of each disc in centimeters is 0.5 centimeters. So 21 by 0.5. So number of discs are 42 discs. Here number of discs are 42 discs. This is the final result. This is our example 5. A halo cylinder. This is a halo cylinder. cylinder inside the cylinder. So having external radius, here this is top section view, this is front view, this is top view. So here external radius means this is the external radius, this is the capital R is the external radius, this is external radius 8 centimeters, capital R is 8 centimeters, and height 10 centimeters. So here height is same for inside cylinder and outside cylinder. So here height is 10 centimeters, has a total surface area, this total surface area, here total surface area means this area and this one, and outside curved surface area and inside curved surface area. So total is 338 into pi centimeter square. So find the thickness of the hollow cylinder. So here we have to find thickness of the hollow cylinder. This is our question mark. Here height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and external radius capital R is 8 centimeters and small r is here question mark, and thickness of the cylinder is capital R minus small r. Small r, this is small r, this is capital R. Capital R minus small r is thickness of the cylinder. So here total surface area is 338 into pi centimeter square. Here total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is 338 into pi is equals to, here curved surface area of outside cylinder. This is the curved surface area of outside cylinder plus curved surface area of inside cylinder. This is the curved surface area of inside cylinder plus outside two circles area. This is the outside circle. These two circles are top and bottom. So these two circles outside area minus inside two circles area. This is inside circle. These are two inside circles. This area that is equals to 338 pi is equals to, here curved surface area of outside cylinder. So here outside cylinder radius is capital R. Here curved surface area of inside cylinder. Inside cylinder radius is small r. So outside two circles area means 2 pi capital R square minus inside two circles area means 2 pi small r square. So here curved surface area is 2 pi RH formula. So 338 pi is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi small RH plus 2 pi into here capital R square minus small r square. Here capital R is outside circle radius. Here small r is inside circle radius. So that is equals to, here pi cancel. 2 how many times divides 338? 169 times. So that is equals to, here substitute the values capital R and height of the cylinder 10 centimeters, capital R is 8 centimeters. So here 8 into 10 plus small r, we don't know the small r value, into height is h is 10 centimeters plus capital R square is 8 square minus small r square. So that is equals to 169 is equals to 8 tens are 80 plus 10 into r 10r plus 8 8s are 64 minus r square. So here 80 plus 64. So 80 plus 64 is 144. Transpose this 144, 160 minus 144 is equals to, remaining terms are 10r minus r square. So here 169 minus 144 is 25. Transpose these terms to LHS. So here r square minus 10r plus 25 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. By splitting the middle term, here factors are r square minus 5r plus 25 is equals to 0. Here r is common, remaining terms are r minus 5. Here 5 is common, minus 5 is common. So remaining terms are r minus 5 is equals to 0. So entire r minus 5 is common, remaining here r minus 5 is equals to 0. Here r is equals to 5, r is equals to 5. So thickness is equals to capital R minus small r, that is equals to, capital R is 8 centimeters, small r is equals to 5 centimeters. So result is 3 centimeters. This is the thickness of cylinder, hollow cylinder. This is our try this question. First one, if the radius of a cylinder is double, if the radius of a cylinder is double, here first radius is r, double means 2r. Its lateral surface area is same. Here the lateral surface area is same, means lateral surface area is nothing but curved surface area. Here first curved surface area is equals to second cylinder curved surface area. Both are equal, but radius is double. So then what is its height? Here h2 is question mark. Second one, height is h2. Here curved surface area of first cylinder is 2 pi r h1 is equals to curved surface area of second cylinder is 2 pi. Here radius is 2r h2. Height is h2. So that is equals to here 2 pi cancel. Remaining terms are small r h1 is equals to 2r h2. Here r cancel. So h1 is equals to 2h2. So h2 is equals to h1 by 2. So this is the final result. When curved surface area is same, here radius is double. What about its height? So here height is half of the first height. Here second cylinder height is half of the first cylinder height. Okay, my dear students, if you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.